Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert an image in a table in Microsoft Publisher. So get it started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show insert a image into a table. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now firstly insert from table, then click for table option. Now select from row and columns. Now move your table, then resize your table. Now select from all table, then go into the line color option, then click for black color. Now click for border option, now click for all border. Now you can see then it show insert from table. Now this table insert image. Now firstly select from any columns. Now going to the again insert menu option, then click for picture option. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see then this is your picture. Now move from picture in table from row and columns. Now you can see insert image in a table in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.